Hello everybody, welcome back to One to Step. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can know if someone deleted Tinder. So to know that, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now the user interface will look somewhat like this. So if someone has deleted their Tinder account, that person will be stopped recommending on your feed by Tinder. That person will be not shown on recommendation. And another way is to head over to your chat section, and if that person is matched with you and that person is unavailable on Tinder, that means that person may have blocked you or deleted their Tinder account. So this is the only way to know if that person has deleted their Tinder account. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.